Here you can see Lenovo Think. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the unit Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Gen 7 model. You can see this is the box of the unit. These are the things inside the box. Comes with the one Lenovo carry case. This is the carry case, and this is a power cable, power adapter inside. You get a power cable and one power adapter, 65 volt. You can see here 65 watt, 20 voltage to 3.25 ampere. USB-C, and user manual. This is a user manual inside. You can see the E14 Gen 7 and E16 Gen 3. The details, and let's see the laptop. This is the eco-friendly. They are using eco-friendly material inside, and then comes with the cloth. And this is the seal from Lenovo. Let's open the seal. Yeah, this is the laptop. Yeah, here you can see the top design of the Thinkpad E14 Gen 7. It's aluminium body. Here you can see E14 and Thinkpad logo. This is the top design, aluminium, and bottom also aluminium. This is the bottom design, ventilation. This is the back side look and side look. You can see here. These are the ports available: HDMI, USB-C, power port, and a Thunderbolt port, and one more USB, headphone jack 3.5 mm combo. And let's see other side. Comes with the Ethernet port, RJ45, and one more USB here, and Kensington lock system. Let's lift the laptop. One hand we can lift this laptop. Here you can see it comes with the Intel Ultra 5 processor and Intel graphic card and smooth touchpad. And here you can see Thinkpad logo. And speaker is here in the top. There is a speaker. Two speakers are there. And here you can see Dolby Harman speaker. And you can see the backlight keyboard. This is the backlight symbol here. You can see mouse scroll, and this one also you can use when you are using the scroll. You can use right and left click. And this is the keyboard, nice keyboard. And here you can see the power button with indicator as well as fingerprint also. Power button with fingerprint. This is the hinges of this unit. So there is no number here. Before laptops comes with the E14 logo here. There is no logo here. And this is a 180 degrees. It will go 180 degrees. And this is a 14 inch screen, WXGA screen, 1920 by 1200. The screen resolution. And camera you can see comes with a privacy shutter. And you can see the mic also is there. And small frame. This frame is very slim frame. In the keyboard you can see this is a Copilot key. Yeah, Copilot key, this one. This is a full design of this unit. Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Gen 7 series. Yeah, this is a full video of the unboxing of E14 Thinkpad. Here you can see the model number Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Gen 7. The back side they given the details. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. This is the full design look of Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Gen 7. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This model full details I'm going to mention in the description. Please check it out. Thank you for watching.